we are going to see dissection of hibiscus flower. So here is epicalyx, calyx, corolla, which is also known as petals, stamens, monodifold stamens, stigma plus style, and ovary. So here the required material is one hibiscus flower, which is fresh, a scissor, and a needle. So let's start. So first I had taken a flower and its bottommost part I am just removing it. It has 5 to 8 number or its member. So here I just removed it, and here I had got 5 members of it. And the next is the epicalyx, which is also green in color, and I'm just removing it, which always have 5 sepals in it. So you can see here it is the second bottommost part of the flower. The pointed ends of the calyx are the sepals. So let's move to the corolla, which is the petals. So I am just removing it one by one. So you can see it is white color and it comes in many colors like red, white, orange, etc. And this is a white color flower. It helps to attract the birds for taking the for pollination. So here it always have 5 petals as a hibiscus flower. The corolla has the two different parts, the petals and the corolla lobes. As the hibiscus being blooms, the petals being to be grow. So here we are just gone through with the corolla, and we have studied apical. So we'll just remove the pollen grains from it and the menadifolous stamens. So for it, I'll just cut it from the ovary, from the up of the ovary, and now we are just getting the monodifolous stamens. For it, we have to remove its upper part. So, monodiphore stamens are the condition of flowers in which all the filaments of the stamens are united in a single bundle to form a tube-like structure, but the anthers remain free. The monolidus folius anthrodiscium is seen in the family of Malaceae. The example is in the front of us, that is the hibiscus. So we'll just see the stamens now, and as we all know, hibiscus is a unisexual flower. The hibiscus has both male and female parts in the same flower. The male part, which is known as stamen, is a flower consists of stem-like filaments, and each filament ends with the pollen-producing anther. So here I am just removing it carefully. You can see here, and the anthers which release the pollen sits on the filaments, and this two organ makes up the stamen and the male part of a flower. So here, after removing the stamens, I had got the stigma and the style. So you can just see the downer part is style and the upper part is stigma. So the stigma have the 5 hairy spots. It is according to its color, and the style is at the top of the pistil is known as the stigma, where pollen grain is collected, and the middle of the style, which is also known as section, that the pollen travels to the ovary. So this we had got the ovary, and for getting the proper ovary we have to just remove the upper part of it. So I'm just removing the upper part carefully, because here if we does mistake, our whole experiment will get destroyed. Generally, hibiscus has a 5 locules to the ovary. So this we had got the ovary, and for getting the proper ovary, we have to just remove the upper part of it. So I'm just removing the upper part carefully, because here if we does mistake, our whole experiment will get destroyed. Generally, hibiscus has a 5 locule ovary, with each locule consists of numerous ovules. The results show that a single flower has a normal ovary that consists of 5 locules. There are 2 ovule row in each locule, which each row consists of 6 ovules. So here we got our ovary. So here we are done with our experiment. Hope you liked it. Thank you.